Hello, dear friends. Now what I'm showing you is side entry Petri dish packing system. We can have a brief introduction here. Now what you see here is the kitchen arms. It is 6x6 layout design of the Petri dish, and this one is the pot, the chicken pot. It will accept the Petri dish from the main arm and have it set here for packing. Now we can come close. Come back, come here. Here in this pot. Let's turn right. Okay. Okay. Here is the packing unit. This one is the packing unit of the Petri dish system. The film will become here, and the well-stacked Petri dish should be popped up from here and have the film pack vacuum, and the finish sealed here, and the finish will come down from the list. We will put a conveyor here to have the Petri dish packed. Here is the cabinet of the whole system. It is the control unit here. Here is the control unit. Another one is another one is here. The fluff and we have the fluff installed here to control the suction and the release of the Petri dishes. Another fluff here. So we have a modular design of the Petri dish system to make it easy maintenance with a competitive price. This is the side a brief introduction of the side entry Petri dish packing system. For more information of for more solution of Petri dish system, please just feel free to contact me and for a turnkey automation solution.